Welcome back. Bharatiya Janata Party has demanded resignation of Chief Minister Digambar Kamath following allegations of involvement in illegal mining scam. BJP's national spokesperson Prakash Jawdekar said that Digambar Kamath is responsible for the billion-dollar mining scam in Goa. He demanded Kamath's immediate resignation pending inquiry. State unit of BJP has planned Grand Morcha on Assembly on 5th of October.
National spokesperson of Bharatiya Janata Party, Prakash Jawdekar, is in Goa to attend Parliamentary Affairs Committee meeting. He addressed a press conference in Vasco on Wednesday. He said that Goa's mining scam should be probed by Supreme Court's Monetary Committee.
We are asking resignation or dismissal as the first step. We want full-fledged inquiry to trace the money trail. And once you establish the money trail, because this was not a charity, this was hand in glove. And that is why the money trail is important, and unless that money trail, then only you can recover. So we will demand we are demanding the whole comprehensive inquiry. Supreme Court monitored inquiry we want.
On the other side, State President of BJP, Lakshmikant Parsekar, said that Manohar Parrikar's negligence led to allotment of mining portfolio to Digambar Kamath during BJP's regime 12 years ago.
तो दिगंबर बाब कामत आमच्या मंत्रिपदान किंवा आमच्या सरकारात असना माइन मिनिस्टर असलोच आणि त्यामुळे तिचर इरेग्युलरिटी कितें जाली जाल्यार अप्रत्यक्षरित्या जो मुख्यमंत्री पर्रीकर आसा ताचे निग्लिजन्स म्हणू शकता जाल्ली आसत ती.
BJP has planned a morcha on the first day of assembly. Parsekar said that morcha will ventilate anger of the common man against the ruling regime.
आम्ही 5 तारखेक ठरवून जनतेचो क्रोध व्यक्त करपा खातीर एक कार्यक्रम समस्त गोंयच्या जनतेक पक्षा मार्फत दिवपाचो ठरयला. काल आमची ताचेर एक व्यापक मेळावो जालो कार्यकर्त्यांचो. गोंयभरांसून 40 मतदारसंघांतसून आमी प्रमुख कार्यकर्त्यांक आपयल्ले आणि एक 2-3 तासाच्या डेलिबरेशना नंतर 5 ऑक्टोबराक एक प्रचंड मोर्चा विधानसभेचेर हाडपाचें ठरला.
Our reporter Basri Desai, Surendra Madkaikar with video journalist Sunny Narvekar.
Lok Ayukt Bill 2003 may possibly passed in upcoming assembly session with necessary amendments. All political parties have decided to support the bill. In a mega anniversary debate, Mahasangram, various political leaders agreed that bill should be passed in coming assembly session. You can watch a mega debate on the topic Next Election, Annachar or Bhrashtachar on 2nd October at 2 p.m. and 4 p.m.
जो बिल आहा पळय तो तू सारको या 3 दिसांनी सामको डेफिनेटली पास करताय म्हणून.
यस ताका कित्याक तरी चेंज करपाचो अमेंडमेंट लावन पास करता.
एकूच गजाल की हांगा 4 पार्टी आसात. 4 पार्टीचे मेन लोक असेंब्ली भितर आसात आणि जर तुमच्या 4 पार्टीचे लोक एकठांय आयले जाल्यार लोकायुक्त बिल पास जावपाक शकता. हे सगळे लोक मिळून ह्या तुमच्या सगळे पार्टीचे मिळून लोकायुक्त बिल पास करतले.
सर्वसामान्य जनतेची ही इच्छा आसा की ते बिल पास जावंक जाय.
हय
आमकां भंय कितें दिसता की भारतीय जनता पार्टीचे सगळे आमदार ह्या लोक आयुक्त बिलाच्या फाटल्यान उभे रावतले.
तुमकां जेन्ना करपाचें नासता तेन्ना सिलेक्ट कमिटी कोल्ड स्टोरेज
तू बिल हाडटलो पास करूया म्हणून.
पास करता आमी.
तुमचे आमदारांक सवय आसा. काँग्रेसीन तुमच्या आमदारांक सवय आसा आणि बीजेपीनूय काय आमदार आसात ते क्वेरी काडपाची आपण शेणे म्हणून सांगपाची आणि सिलेक्ट कमिटीकडे दिवपाची. हेच्या पयलीं कितलीशीच बिलां सिलेक्ट कमिटीकडे पडून आसात.
हे 2003 जे बिल आसा ते ऑलरेडी विधानसभेक पास जाल्ले आशिल्ले. सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटा प्रेसिडेंटा धाडटकीर थोडे त्रुटी त्यांनी काढल्यो आणि ते त्रुटी एमेंड करपाचें काम चालू आसा. काल आमची मिटींग आशिल्ली BACची. सगळ्या पक्षांनी सगळ्यांनी BJPचे आशिल्ले आमी आशिल्ले त्यांनी ठरयले हे त्रुटी ह्या 4 दिसांत एमेंडमेंट सुद्दां घालपाचे आणि पास करपाचे आणि ते पास जातले.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट Prudent Media.
Maya farmers are not happy with the compensation paid by mining companies. They claim that it is not sufficient. Says Goa had paid around 28 lakh rupees to more than 370 farmers. However, Chogule is yet to pay compensation of 23 lakh rupees to the farmers. Farmers have now threatened of severe agitation if they are not paid the compensation immediately. More than 400 families in Maya are dependent on farming. They earn their bread and butter only through agriculture. But from past many years, their business is affected due to mining. Cesa Goa has paid around 28 lakh rupees to more than 370 farmers as compensation in Maya after intervention of Deputy Collector. But farmers are not happy with it.
लोकांची शेतकऱ्याची शेतां नुकसान झाली 80% नुकसान झाली आणि लोकांक भुरग्यांक काम ना आनी लिस्ट सुद्दां दिल्ली आहा तांकां ते भुरग्यांक कामाक येना जर आनी फुडें आमी आंदोलन करता सध्या कॉम्पेन्सेशन दिला तेतून सॅटिस्फाय ना 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 आनी तितूर ना हे जर कॉम्पेन्सेशन दिला ते अपुऱ्या.
However, they are still awaiting compensation of around 23 lakh rupees from Chowgules.
देखीक 23 लाखांचो धनादेश चौगुलेन तात्काळ दिवपाक जायो आणि त्याची ऑर्डर जाल्ली आसा पूण आजपर्यंत चौगुलेच्या कानापर्यंत कंपनीच्या व्यवस्थापनापर्यंत आमच्या किसान सभा मैन आवाज पावून सुद्दां तेणी चाल ढकल केल्या आणि आमकां हें सांगचें पडटा की ही लोकशाही ती बरोबर न्ही. एकदां कोर्टान ऑर्डर दितकीर कोर्टाच्या नियमाचें पालन जर ह्यो खाण वेवस्था जर करिना जाल्यार कितें करतले.
Now Deputy Collector Narayan Gad has assured to help the farmers.
अधिक तुमचे जे हक्क आसा तुमचे जे अधिकार आसा हे अधिकार आणि हक्क मिळवून दिवपाक लागून हांव जितले म्हणून प्रयत्न करपाची शक्यता आसा तितले प्रयत्न करतलो.
A reporter from Maya, Uday Parab. Intel plans to tap Goan market in consumer and enterprise segments. Intel has been conducting various activities with retailers to boost their business in the state. Intel now plans to unveil its new ultrabook devices that combine the features of laptops and tablets.
Intel India aims at making computing experience seamless and enriching to its users. They believe broadband connectivity can help bridge divide in India.
We are creating a new category called ultrabook, which is a new form factor which kind of brings the capabilities of the laptop and the tablets together and create user experience like ultra thin, stellar performance, it's always connected, it's instant on, and extended battery life, right? And these are not like adding more and more cells to the battery, but at the mainstream. Goa specifically, what we do is we do a lot of market demand generation activities. I'm really excited that there's a huge opportunity in a market like Goa. There are a lot of segments of consumers where it's still underpenetrated. We do what we call as the internet mela, where we bring the ecosystem together and help people understand the capability of the internet, how it can help them not just from personal productivity but child's education plus entertainment, all the things they can do. So we do a lot of marketing activities. And we have a cadence for that. Every week there is some activity or the other happening.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.